The first week of Oklahoma's trial against drug maker Johnson Jonson just wrapped up.
The state accuses Johnson Jonson of fueling the state's opioid crisis. News on 6's Taylor Newcomb is live with details on today's testimony. Taylor.
Brian and Lori, the Johnson Jonson spokeswoman, has been on the stand for more than 2 days now. Today, the judge looked at more than 100 call logs from sales representatives. One of the main things the state's attorney questioned Kimberly D. Meshelman about is why sales representatives continually marketed their fentanyl patch as having low abuse potential, when some doctors said they were concerned with how some of their patients were using painkillers. The Johnson Jonson attorney asked the judge not to allow the state to question D. Meshelman about documents she didn't know anything about. The state's attorney argued they have every right to question her about the company's practices, since they chose D. Meshelman to be the face of their operation.
They selected Ms. Eshelman to be the face of this company. Now is the time. Now is the time. They want this to not be seen because they know that justice dies in darkness.
The judge ultimately told Johnson Jonson they'd have their chance to present their own case coming up in a few weeks. The spokesperson will be back on the stand on Monday, and of course, I'll be there as well. Live in Norman, Taylor Newcomb, Oklahoma's own News on 6.